back to the channel. We have a customer truck here. We did a 30-piece Rgb+W kit on his 2021 High Country long bed Duramax. Came out absolutely awesome. In this video, we're going to be explaining just an overview of how many lights we put on it, where we put them, pretty much just to show you guys how you can get this exact look for your truck if you want to install it at home or show it to an installer local near you. All right, so in the front end, this customer wanted to light up the entire grill, which we did, as well as the hood scoop here, which comes on all L5P trucks. So we put 2 in the grill, and then we put 1 in the hood scoop to get that nice front end glow, other than just on the ground. Then under the front bumper, we did 3 lights here, 3 rock lights. So there's 1 on this corner, 1 in the center, and then there's 1 on this side as well. Definitely gives a nice proportional look for the front end. Definitely gives a good shine all the way around, nice and symmetrical on each side, which is definitely what you're looking for when you're installing a kit like this. Coming over here to the wheel wells, every single wheel well, we did 2 rock lights per wheel well. You can show them here, how we placed them. So 2 per wheel well on every wheel well, and that's pretty much all you need. We get questions all the time, is 3 necessary, 2? How many lights per wheel well? I definitely recommend 2, no matter what size kit you go with. That's just a good standard to start at. Now coming down the side of the truck, we got 5 down the sides. So we did 1 right here, another 1 here, here, and then 1 right here. Now being this is a long bed truck, you definitely have a big gap here from where the end of the cab is to where the wheel well is here. So you definitely are going to need a light here if you do have a long bed truck or a mega cab if you have a Dodge. But yeah, so that's how we got this full spaceship glow underneath the doors. Following to the back still, we got 2 per wheel well here, same as the front. And now under the back, we have 4 total. So this truck has 1 right here, shining right here. Then we have another 2 right there, and then another 1 on this side. Now, there's no shadow here, even with the exhaust pipe the way it is. And that was the customer's request, that he didn't want any shadows at all on this entire truck, and I think we did just that. The 30-piece kit definitely allows 0 shadows if placement is proper. Placement is everything when you guys are installing rock lights yourself or getting them done with a shop. All right, last but not least, to finish up the full 30, if you want to crouch down here with me, we have 2 lights right here on the cross member to shine in the center. Being that this truck is lifted, the light does shine very far in the center, but there was a little tiny shadow there, and like the customer requested, we did not want to give him any shadows. So we put 2 right there to eliminate all of that, and exactly that is what it is. All right, guys, so with the Rgb+W kit, there's 2 different ways to control the lights on the truck. You have the wireless keychain remote that we provide, and then you also have an app controllability as well that you can download. There's a QR code on the control box that you scan to get the app on your phone. So with that, we're going to show you some of the different features on the app. So you can set your presets and stuff like that. And this customer, he decided that he wants the red and blue flash, so we set that up for him on his phone. This is the blue. He likes blue, so we set him up with the blue, the red. This is the RGB white. There also is a pure white that we'll show you at the end of the video. This is like a cyan blue, green, and those are the colors that he requested for us to set as presets, but there's many other ones, and we'll show you some of those now. So red, white, and blue flash was another request of his, so we set his phone up for that, and that's what it looks like with all the red and blue flash. Super, super cool. Definitely extremely bright, and we don't recommend you driving on the road with these lights flashing. Just quick disclaimer there. So these are some of the modes that you can choose from on the app here. You can have the tricolor jump, which is that, 7-color jump, tricolor gradient, and there's just so many more. I'm not going to go through every single one, but there's definitely a ton of modes that you could choose from. It's fully customizable to your liking of what you're looking to get out of it. And then also, I did mention the pure white, guys. This kit is an RGB, so you get all the colors, and then you also get a pure white. So we're going to show you what the pure white looks like. So if you are looking to get pure white rock lights, but you also like color, this is definitely the exact kit you want, because this is what the pure white looks like. Looks super good. There's also no shadows on this as well. And this is exactly the same white color temperature as our pure white rock lights. So super good if you want to get all the colors like this customer did. Looks awesome. You can see the grill light up. Everything looks super, super sweet. So now you've seen a full walk around of all the different colors and features of the Rgb+W kit, as well as the placement on this 30 piece. If you guys are interested to purchase this kit, you can get it from freedomlightingsupply.com, and we'll put the link right here. If you guys are local to Naples, Florida, definitely give Pierce Automotive a call. We're going to put the phone number right here as well. Yeah, shout out to Pierce Automotive for knocking out this install for this customer. Very fast and efficient time. He came down in the morning, and now he's taking it home at night. So if you guys are looking to get a 30-piece install, we could definitely do that all in one day for you. If you guys are not local to the Southwest Florida area, we also have a ton of other dealers throughout the United States and Canada soon to come. So you guys can go on our website. There's a dealer map. You can put in your zip code, address, whatever, to find your local dealer near you, and you can contact them, give them a call, email, whatever, or even stop in and let them know you're looking for the specific kit that you're looking for, and they can get it for you, and they can also install it for you, or you can get it from our website, like I mentioned, freedomlightingsupply.com. We do ship with 3 business day delivery throughout the entire United States and Canada, and we also do offer worldwide shipping, no matter where you live in the world. So no matter where you live, whatever you're looking for, we definitely can get you covered. All right, so now you guys seen the truck parked, so now we're going to give you some rolling shots of what this looks like, so cut to that.